In this video, we're going to do a beginning West Coast swing move called back to close. We'll show you what it looks like. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. It was actually a back to close and then a throw out. So let's do it. I'm going to face the pictures. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Dick's going to explain it a little bit.
Okay, leaders, what we are going to do is start a whip going here. I'm going to go to count 4. Count 4, I'm going to over rotate. Watch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've over rotated. Normally with a whip, I would block square. I step forward, outside partner, and get us going. My goal is to back us into the slot with a side cross side. Looks like this, side, cross, side. Immediately we do a tuck throw out, rock back, 2, tuck in, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, let's show it from the other direction.
Okay, from here. Again, watch the over rotation on 4. That's how the girl knows we're going to close. This is a 6 count move. 4, 5, and 6. And then the rock, step, tuck, and out she goes, triple step.
I'd like you to show it again so you can show your over rotation on this side. So go ahead. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see how he over rotated. Normally
I would block straight,
on
girl
the whip.
knows it whip. Now I've over rotated, the girl knows we're going back to close. We both do side cross side as we square up and go that way down the slot. Immediately rock, step, tuck, and go, and we'll usually follow an underarm turn after that.
Okay, so I want to show what happens to the follower. So go ahead, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice I twist. This would have been on a whip, but because he over rotates, I keep my feet on the ground and I'll go 4 and I twist. Then I'm ready to do my side, cross, side. And when we're here, I'm twisted here. When I'm going to take my foot at an angle, back, side. I'm going to cross, cross, side. Okay? All right, why don't we do one towards the camera and see what happens.
Okay, leaders, here I go. It'll look like a whip until I change it on 4.
1, 2,
3,
3, and 4.
I just changed it. You can clearly see the over rotation. I took the lady with me. I'm gonna do side, cross, side. Take her with me. Rock, step, tuck, underarm turn after that. 2, 3, and 4. And there you have it.
5 and 6. All right. Thank you. See you later.